Experiencing a stuck activation in progress screen on your Spectrum mobile device, whether eSIM or physical SIM, is frustrating. But why does this happen, and how can you fix it quickly? This issue typically arises during number transfers, new device setups, or network switches. The core problem often lies in synchronization hiccups between your device, Spectrum's network, and their activation servers. To immediately address this, first restart your phone. Then toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the network connection. If on Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data or try a different Wi-Fi network. For eSIMs, ensure a stable internet connection during the setup. These quick fixes resolve a significant portion of activation issues. According to Spectrum's data, basic troubleshooting resolves 75% of reported errors. So don't panic. Start with these simple steps. If the initial steps didn't work, more advanced troubleshooting is needed. For eSIMs, delete the eSIM profile from your phone and re-add it using the QR code or Spectrum mobile app. Ensure your device's operating system is up to date, whether iOS or Android. For physical SIMs, inspect the card for damage. A bent or scratched SIM can cause activation failures. As of 2025, eSIM adoption is growing rapidly, and Spectrum is integrating AI to automate activations. The future trends towards more seamless digital experiences, which will likely reduce these errors significantly. If you've tried everything and are still stuck, contact Spectrum Mobile Support at 1-833-6591 or use the chat feature within the Spectrum mobile app. Be prepared to provide your IMEI number and account details. Remember, patience is key, and contacting support should be your final step after exhausting self-help options.